If you have Rahu in the seventh house, then this will give you fame through law, through partnership, through business, through relationships. So if you have Rahu in the seventh house, it shows that your life partner can be a very famous person, because Rahu in the seventh house is amplifying the energy of the seventh house, and this will give you fame through partner, through business, through law, through relationships. This is how Rahu gets fame in the seventh house. Rahu in the eighth house. Now, the eighth house is a different domain, guys. The eighth house is the house of mantra, tantra, kundalini shakti, sadhana, secret service. The eighth house is transformation. The eighth house is longevity. So, Rahu in the eighth house can give you fame through the virtue of the eighth house. So, if you involve yourself in sadhana, if you involve yourself in kundalini shakti, in yoga, in meditation, or if you involve yourself in transformative stuffs. For example, you become an adventure seeker and you go into the depth of the ocean and you find out the secrets of the ocean. So that can give you fame. This is what happens in all the science channels, where they deep inside the earth or deep inside the ocean and show you things, and the person who is hosting the show becomes famous. So that is Rahu in the eighth house. Now, Rahu in the eighth house can give you fame as a person to smile in the face of danger. So, a person who goes into the wild and survives there is Rahu in the eighth house. Rahu in the ninth house. Now, ninth house Rahu will give you fame through Guru, through knowledge, through philosophy, through dharma, through justice. So, if you have Rahu in the ninth, then chances are that your Guru will be famous, and if you hang out with your Guru, then you shall also get fame through your Guru. When Rahu comes to the ninth house, this shows that you have a different outlook towards religion and philosophy. So when you come out with a new philosophical thought, or when you come out with a new concept of religion or a new concept of higher philosophy, you reveal knowledge to people, then you become famous as a philosopher, a philanthropist. Rahu in the 10th house. Now, Rahu in the 10th house gives you fame beyond boundaries, guys. If you have Rahu in the 10th house, then you shall become famous through your business, or you shall become famous through the support of higher authorities, because 10th house is the house of higher authorities. So your higher authorities will support you and bring you to the limelight. If you have Rahu in the 10th house, you can get fame depending on the energy in which Rahu is placed. So in the 10th house, if Rahu is in the sign of Taurus, then you shall get fame through movies and film. If Rahu is in the sign of Leo, then also you shall get fame through movies and films and sports. If Rahu is in Virgo, then you shall get fame from service. For example, you will become a very famous doctor. So the energy of the Rashi in which Rahu is placed is also important. When Rahu is in the 11th house, then you shall be involved in NGOs, and you shall be involved in great network circle, community building, social networks. So you can create a community, you can create a social network where large scale people will come together. It will be an amalgamation of a lot of people, and through that you can get fame, guys. You can also get fame from the 11th house from your elder sibling. So it shows that your elder brother or elder sister would be very famous. Rahu in the 12th house. Now, Rahu in the 12th house gives you fame abroad. So don't stay in your country, don't stay in your motherland. The place where you are born is your motherland. So if you want to be famous, leave the country, leave the state in which you are born, and go to a place where you have a different culture and religion, because Rahu gives fame in different culture, because the 12th house is the house of foreign element. The 12th house also gives you the ability to communicate with entities that doesn't have a body. So you can become a famous psychic. You can become a person who is famous for his expertise in paranormal stuff. Have you seen all these paranormal seekers who go to haunted houses with a camera and then bring it to YouTube or to TV, and then they become famous? So that is Rahu in the 12th house, guys. So guys, I have told you in detail as to how Rahu can give you fame beyond boundaries. You just need to identify where Rahu is placed in your birth chart, and then you need to do those things which Rahu is asking you to do. You have an inner craving, that is Rahu, an inner desire, that is Rahu. So follow your desire, follow your passion. But I would like to give you a disclaimer. If the Lord of Rahu, for example, Rahu is placed in any house, the first house or the second house or the third house, if the Lord of the first house or Lord of the second house or Lord of the third house is not well placed, then even though this Rahu will try to achieve a lot, but it would fail to achieve it because the foundation on which Rahu is sitting is getting weak. And because of this, Rahu at times can fail in achieving fame. So best of luck, guys. I hope this video illuminates a new passion towards fame in your hearts. I love you all. This is Purab signing off from Purab's Astrology. Adios, guys.